Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and the other day I found some brown paper packaging in a box that my husband got, so I stole it out of there, and I'm going to make something out of it. I'm going to make a little journal. I've already straightened this out. I've already cut these to pretty much the same size. They're not exactly perfect, but that's okay. I did not really measure. I just kind of eyeballed it when I cut them, and I've got about 6 sheets here. So when I fold these over, that's going to make 12 pages. So that will make a nice size journal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go away for a minute. I'm going to bind these together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I won't bore you with doing that, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I bound this together, my pamphlet stitch, and I ended up with, there's about 12 pages. So I really don't have a plan. I got this together. I wanted to use this brown paper today. So I'm going to start in the center and start kind of laying down some collage. And it's quite crinkly, which I like, but it's not laying down very good. So I'm going to just clip this. I'm just going to start doing some collage. I have no plan. I'm just going to see what works here. And just kind of making this up as I go along, using a glue stick. I have made several little pieces of ephemera over the last few months. I'm going to see what I can grab out of my stash. Use some book pages. And just go for it today, just winging it. Some watercolor painting on here. Let's see, I have some. This vellum, I've really never used vellum before, and this one I bought is quite stiff. I think I would prefer some vellum that's a little softer. I'm gonna probably have to order that on Amazon, but anyway, it'll work for now. So I got that on. To use this lady, I found her in an encyclopedia. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I think some little leaves down here would look good. This is also vellum. Okay, so this is my first page of decorating my brown paper journal, brown paper packaging journal. Okay, I might add more to that later, but for now, this is what I'm gonna do. So thanks for watching and helping me start my journal. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.